Good morning, Don Lane, Fraser Valley News, your morning news update for this Wednesday, March the 18th, just after 7 a.m. Pacific time as we record this, and 4 minutes ago, the Canadian-American border has been closed. Here we go. Now, trade is not affected. However, so much for cross-border shopping. You want to get a tank of gas or some milk or cheese, that's not going to happen. So the border has been closed between Canada and the United States. So needless to say, all other modes of transportation in and out of Canada, airlines and such like WestJet, that are pretty much grounded. Sunwing, everybody, done right now, done temporarily. A symptom self-assessment app has been posted by the BC Health Minister. We have the link to that up on FVN, FraserValleyNewsNetwork.com. Just go to our webpage, and it's there in the story. Yesterday, Dr. Bonnie Henry, the provincial health officer, said we have now a public health emergency. That has not been called for since 2016 when the opioid crisis blew up. So this is pretty heavy duty. So that includes some rather sweeping powers. Bars and clubs, nightclubs, are shut down, period. When it comes to restaurants, if you can do takeout or you have seating under 50 and you can space people out, then you can go ahead, but it is asked that you try and not do that. If you can do takeout, even better. This affects community groups and community centers like the Chilliwack Alano Club, the Abbotsford Alano Club, recovery clubs. They are in the crux of this now. Some homeless shelters are saying, okay, we're going to give you takeout and take it outside. You can't eat in the cafeteria. So this is posing a lot of problems and social problems as well. There are the other things too. Public schools, K-12 in British Columbia, now suspended. Various hotels are now starting to close for at least a month. The Grand Royal Hotel in downtown Chilliwack is a good example of that. We have been, as one can imagine, dealing with a lot of trolls, especially on our YouTube channel, as well as a few other critics who say we're not doing enough, we're doing too much, we're not giving any information, we're giving too much information. As you can appreciate, it is something that none of us in media have seen ever. And for those of us who have been around, we've gone through the AIDS crisis in the 80s, SARS, H1N1, the stress and panic the weeks after 9/11. This is uncharted territory for everyone. So bear with us. We're trying to disseminate a lot of information on our end and try to get it to you in a timely fashion, but also in an accurate fashion. Now, Chill TV's News of the Week. That will be tomorrow, 5 o'clock on the Chill TV News channel. I'll be your anchor for that, but we'll also have some conversations. We're hoping to get Chilliwack Mayor Ken Popoff, because he made a statement yesterday about the COVID crisis. Also, Barry Penner, we want to talk to MLA Lori Thronis. We will be talking to biologist and Discovery Television superstar, if you want to call her that, because she is, but Dr. Karen Bondar, and we're going to get serious. It's not going to be one of those have fun with biologist with a twist stories. We're going to be talking COVID. So that'll be tomorrow night, 5 o'clock on the YouTube channel, over on Chill TV's channel. We will keep you up to date as best we can. Hang in there. And keep an eye on the oldies. Reach out. If you got the phone number, give them a call. If they're active on social media, hail them up on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. We got to do this one together. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.